Actually, reaction po dito sa pagdating ng mga players from Manileo, your take on this?
Well, unang-una, nagpapasalamat kami sa team ng Ateneo. Dito halos most of the players na nandito. And pinaliwanag ko naman sa kanila, we are here to seek the truth. No? And I assure them that it will be handled fairly and professionally. No? So, yung participation nila will be very material to the result of the investigation being conducted by the Bureau.
Sir, ako hindi mo dumating si Coach Bonji,
Then,
but meron daw pong pasabi,
Sabi-
kasi kung darating daw po sa Friday ko, no?
Yeah, nagpasabi naman. Actually, we're very satisfied with the response ng Ateneo team, ng community, because yung mga sinabi na naman namin dumarating. If not, they will send a lawyer and leave us a message, just like with Coach Taboy, nagpasabi niya sa baka sa Friday. So tomorrow until Friday, meron pa kami mga personalities na investigahan na tapos.
Around how many po yung dumating din this week?
Today, hindi ko mabilang pero substantial yun ng 2, 4, tapos dito. Parang mga 10 sila, including their parents and their counsel also.
Sir, sa takbo ng
Hindi ko inalam yung mga pangalan. I just talk to them because alam naman natin, we have to realize also, these kids suffered enough also. May trauma din yan eh. So I just want to make an assurance na the NBI will handle it professionally and nothing, walang puprotektahan. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, the investigation will lead to somebody being responsible, doon natin dadalhin.
Sir, sa takbo ng investigation, may senyales ba na may foul play kahit na iba yung initial findings ng Aurora Police?
I cannot answer that. I will answer that question pag matapos na natin yung buong investigation. Mahirap magkaroon ng partial na, although I'm getting partial report, but I cannot come out with a partial conclusion. Kailangan makausap natin lahat. Sabi ko naman, ang commitment ng NBI, we will not leave anything unturned. Lahat titingnan talaga natin.
Sir, sabi niyo target ninyong matapos yung investigation this week, kakayanin ba?
Mukhang hindi kasi until tomorrow and Friday, there are personalities pa na darating. We don't want to set a date at magmadali because ang mas gusto namin kung ano lumabas talaga yung katotohanan dito sa investigation.
Sir, sa CIDG, tinitignan nila yung possible na kaso, homicide and paglapag sa anti-hazing law. Dito sa NBI, are we on the same ground?
Wala pa kaming sasabihin na kaso na homicide or anything na violation until such time na matapos natin yung statement ng lahat ng kukunan natin ng statement.
Pero po, resignation po ni Coach Bonji sa Ateneo basketball team, would that in any way affect the investigation?
Well, kung ano naman yung nangyari before his resignation, yun yung ating titingnan. Yung pag-resign niya, it could be anything, may ibang reason yun eh. So, ang mas titingnan natin yung actual na nangyari prior to the drowning incident at nung mismo nangyari na. And of course, the other behavior after are also considered. Pero wag na tayo muna mag-speculate sa resignation niya.
Sir, pwede kaya maging state witness or whistleblower yung mga players kung halimbawa magsasampa ng kaso namin
Wala pa
sa
naman
Project
tayong
Ateneo?
tinitingnan ng kaso, kaya wala tayong sasabihin pa na state witness or whistleblower. Kung ano yung kanilang statement, that will be sworn statement and that will be subject na evidence yan.
Sir, former team manager Epo Kim po, has an alibi na wala daw po siya during the training. How is that going to affect you?
Well, that will be part of the factual findings na wala siya. Pero ang titingnan natin nga, what are the participation prior and after the incident and during the incident.
Sir, may news po na hindi daw accredited na University Athletics Office na yung ginawang team building.
That will be part of the investigation. So lalabas siya kung meron. We are also coordinating with other government agency na kung ano yung dapat na sanction dito. Also, we'll coordinate with UAP. So sabi nga lahat titingnan namin. Even Ched, we're talking to Ched kung ano talaga yung direction.
Are you also going to subpoena former players, other, kasi ganun po yung ginawa?
Wala pa doon sa ganong item. Dahil lang dito pa nga tayo doon sa actual na nangyari. Ito palang iniimbestigahan namin ng mga witnesses ngayon, ng mga estudyante, napakarami na. That's why it's not possible that we can finish it by Friday.
Sir, as a former Ateneo,
Well, actually, Atenean or not Atenean, this is a sad incident na nangyari. Malungkot ito, lalo-lalo na sa sports community. And of course, we feel with the parents also yung kanilang grieving and the entire Ateneo community. So, siguro mas maramdamin lang para sa mga Atenista dahil you know how passionate Ateneans when it comes to basketball or in any sports.
Director, kung hindi pa rin dumagal sa Biyernes, si Coach Tab, may anong action naman po gagawin ng NBI?
well, we'll proceed from there. Tingnan muna natin kung dadalo siya o hindi. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.